So today we will be making mac and cheese. I'm going to show you how I make it, so come with me. First things first, I already have some water so it could boil for my noodles, and I'm just going to add some chicken bouillon to it just so it could add some flavor. So I'm just going to eyeball it. That's enough. And then once this boils, I'm going to put in the pasta. So while the water is waiting for it to boil, let's go ahead and get our shredded cheese ready. I am so excited because I ordered this off the TikTok shop, and I am excited to use it. Comes with all of these right here, so let's test it out. And we're going to be using sharp cheddar, some Gouda. I couldn't find it in a block like this, so I had to buy it like that. Mozzarella, and some whole beef jack. So let's get started. First things first, we gotta put this baby right here. And we're just gonna suction it, put it like that, so it won't move, okay? So that is awesome. Now we have our little tray here where we're gonna put the cheese in. So, on to the next step. Okay, I don't know what happened. It stopped recording for some reasons, but I already recorded doing the mozzarella, and this thing is just amazing. So now we're gonna do the sharp cheddar. And look how easy it is. Guys, if you haven't bought this, I suggest you buy it. This thing is amazing. I regret not buying it sooner. So I already have all my cheeses here, so I'm just gonna mix them all together because we want to incorporate all of them together. And then I'm gonna go check on my water, and I'm gonna see if it's already boiling so I can put in the pasta. And then this does not use any roux. So it's just gonna be just cream and evaporated milk, and I'll show you off in a little bit. Okay, so my water's almost gonna boil, so I'm gonna go ahead and just put in my pasta in. And this is the pasta that I'm using, and we're just gonna let that cook, and then we're gonna start getting ready in our sauce. Okay, so I'm just gonna take a little break, drink some water, and we're gonna have an empanada that my mom made. These are cajeta empanadas. Oh, good. I'm just waiting for the pasta to cook. I don't want to start on the sauce until I know the pasta is almost ready. So, taking a break. Okay, now we're going to prepare our cheese sauce. We're going to start with our pan. We're going to put our evaporated milk in here, just like that. And then we're also going to put a cup of heavy cream. I'm just going to mix it all together. And then we're going to start putting our cheese in little by little until it melts, until you find the consistency that you want. Just like that. And then we're going to add a little bit of cheese until you find the right consistency for yourself. So this is the first batch of cheese that I put. Gonna let it melt, and then add a little bit more, just like that. And just repeat the steps until, like I said, you find how you like it. Okay, so this is how it's looking. I still need to add a little bit more cheese, and then I'm gonna add the seasoning as well. But it's not how I want it yet, so I'm gonna continue adding some cheese, and I'll probably add a little bit more whipping cream so it could be a little bit more thicker. So. Okay, now my cheese sauce is ready, so I'm going to add my seasoning. So I'm going to do some onion powder. Like I said, I'm just eyeballing it. I don't know the measurements, so I'm just putting a little bit of that. I'm going to put a little bit of garlic powder as well, just a little, like so. A little bit of pepper, like that. And then we're going to add a little bit of smoked paprika as well. Just like that. And you're just going to taste it, and if you like it, then it's ready. But you could also add more if it's not how you want it. So then we'll just taste it, and the pasta, I already have it drained, and then on to the next step. Okay, our pasta is already with the cheese sauce. Now we're going to add it on to over here. Okay, now I have the first layer. We're going to add some cheese. And then we're going to do another layer and repeat. It should look like this, and then you just cover it with foil paper and stick it into the oven so the cheese will melt. And then, like, once it's ready, you uncover it and put it back in and broil so it could be the cheese all crispy.